Welcome back to Profit Guru. I'm Cassandra Barney, and this is the place to be for all things Amazon selling related, plus other ways that you can be making money online.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Barney with Profit Guru. I'm a teacher, mother of three, and Amazon FBA seller. Here at Profit Guru, we're dedicated to trying strategies out and continually improving our own software to help other Amazon sellers just like you.
Today, I want to walk you guys through how to get on Ungated with big brands like Nike, Adidas, and Under Armour on Amazon. So before we get to that, if you enjoy content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss one of our videos. Now, if you're already selling on Amazon, then you know that you can't just sell everything that you want on Amazon. Most products, especially if they are big brands, they are going to be gated to you. So that means that the gate is up and there are restrictions. In order to get past these restrictions and to get ungated so that you can sell in these brands, you are going to have to do something like order a set amount of this item and then submit an invoice. So I want to show you exactly where you can go to find these items to get the invoice, and then how to submit the application so that you can easily get ungated in these big brands and start making a ton of money selling them on Amazon. So let's get to it. So a really great website to order from in order to get ungated in these big brands is Eastbay. So I'm going to type that right into Google. And you can see here some of the brands that they sell that you can purchase from them to get ungated in these specific brands. So let's go with Nike. There is a lot of money that you can make selling on Nike on Amazon. Now I'm going to come down and try to find the cheapest product possible. So let's go to the sales. Shoes are kind of hard to sell. There is profit to be made with shoes, but the thing is, not all shoe sizes sell well, right? They're not all created equal. So if you are interested in selling things like shoes, you're definitely going to want to dig a little deeper into the variations to make sure that you're buying the size that's performing the best. So I'm not going to want to pick shoes. I'm going to want to find something simple where there's only one variation. This looks interesting. So I can see that this backpack typically sells online for $60 and it's only selling for $29.99 right now. So I'm now going to go over to Amazon and see if I can find this exact same product. So let me click on the product to get it bigger. I'm going to copy the name of it and then search it right into Amazon. So it looks like that is the backpack there, but we're going to want to make sure that it is the exact same product. So let's dig a little deeper into the listing and look at the photographs to make sure that everything matches up to a T. Initially, it looked a little more like metallic looking, but I think the pictures did that intentionally just so that you could see the logo there. Yeah, because that definitely looks like it's a clear backpack. Oh, and that looks like the same exact stock picture, actually. It is. So I'm confident that this is the same product. Now, all I need to do is make sure that it's restricted for me and that it's going to bring up the selling application. So right here, it does say I have a limitation to sell and that I need to get approval. So I'm going to come here to Seller Central. For the condition, it is new. And now you can see that this would be requesting approval in the Nike branded. So I'm going to hit request approval. And now here's the selling application. So this is what I want. So it says that I'm going to at least need to submit one purchase invoice for products from the manufacturer or distributor. So this is a great product. I am going to be able to go to Eastbay and the magic number is 10. So I have to purchase 10 of these backpacks. Then when I get all 10 of the backpacks in, I'm going to line all 10 of them up and take pictures of them where I'm going to upload them right here. I'm also going to take a photograph of the invoice as long as it's a clear enough photo, or I can just download it if they send me a digital copy and upload that as a PDF. Now, everything has to match up to a T. So make sure that the name and the shipping address is the exact same name and shipping address that is on your Amazon seller account. Because as long as you get the invoice, which you will get from Eastbay, they send those in the boxes, and you order 10 of the products, once you submit those two things, the pictures and the invoice, they're going to easily ungate you in this brand. So the backpack is selling for $29.99. Let's see what that would look like and how much you would be making on Amazon. Now, I won't lie to you. Typically, items that you have to buy from these types of sites just to get ungated don't typically bring you back any profit. But that's okay because that's not the goal of this product. The goal is not to put money in my pocket. The goal is to just get ungated so then I can go and start buying some stuff from Nike that is going to end up bringing me back profit. But I also don't want to lose out on a ton of money. So I want to make sure that I'm going to be able to find something that is on the cheaper end. That's why I searched the sales and the clearance so that I'm not going to be losing out on a ton to get ungated. So if I come down a little bit, I kind of want to see what this has been selling for across time. So in January, it looks like it was listed for 68, 55, 55. So it's really come down since just March 26th. It jumped down to $44. It's gone up a couple here and there. But it does seem like a lot of people are dropping the price, but then it is rising back up. So I would say that I would definitely be able to unload this if I listed it for about $50. So before taxes, I'm not sure what the taxes are in your area, but you would want to include that too, just to get an accurate measure. Maybe you don't even have to pay any sales taxes. I don't know. But you would put in the exact buy price there. And then what you wanted to sell it for. So maybe I'm going to list it for $50 even. Now I'll calculate it and see what type of profits this would bring me back selling each unit. So that's not bad. It says that the net profit there is going to be a negative 67 cents. So if I upped this a little bit and sold it for $50.75, because I saw the buy box was higher than that at times and it was selling. So there we go. I'd be losing 3 cents still. So let's up it to $50.80. So that's actually really good because a lot of these items that you buy for the sole purpose of just using them to get ungated in, they usually end up making you lose money on. And this one would not be making you lose any money. You would be breaking even. So this is a great buy right now, especially if you can get it while it's on sale for this $29.99 point frame. So you would be buying 10 of them at $29.99 a piece, but you would be able to sell them back to Amazon by not losing a profit if you're selling them about $50.80. And that is how you get ungated in big brands like this. I also heard from somebody just this week that they used a Kohl's invoice. So Kohl's, everybody knows what Kohl's is. Kohl's has all of these big brands, just like Eastbay has. And Amazon is accepting the Kohl's invoice to ungate you in these big brands. So that's another option too. So if Eastbay, if you're not finding any products where you're not going to be like losing a ton of profit on, check out Kohl's because I've been hearing that people are personally getting ungated in these big brands with their Kohl's invoices. I hope this was informative for you guys and is going to help you to get ungated in big name brands like Nike and Under Armour so that you can really start to increase your profits on Amazon. These are huge brands that sell super well on Amazon. So take the time to get yourself ungated in them, and then you can start going to different wholesalers and outlets where you're going to be finding these products at a cheaper price that you can then resell them for higher on Amazon and start putting more money in your wallet. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. I would be forever grateful for you. Stick around with me every single week, and I will keep teaching you everything that I know about selling on Amazon and making money online. I'll see you then. Bye.